So we're here today at TTC Tire Rack, South Bend, Indiana.
Here we are at the Pittsburgh International Race Complex.
Palmer Motorsports Park in the hills outside of Springfield, Massachusetts.
West Virginia at Summit Point Raceway.
NCM track today in Bowling Green, Kentucky.
Road America outside Sheboygan, Wisconsin.
Great Lakes Raceway.
Audubon.
After 3,200 miles, we're back here at Tire Rack headquarters.
This is my first time in this car on a track, so I'm really excited to get out there and see what I can do.
We can keep learning, keep going as we go, and make the car better, faster, and all of us better.
I think we have the right car for a range setup. It's really wet. There was nothing short of an ice rink out there.
We're running a little hot on water and oil temperatures. This should bring down the oil temperatures a little bit, which then affect the water temperatures.
We boxed in the oil cooler with some sheet metal to try to get the airflow flowing through it.
This is some of the evidence of how we are able to use what we learn through our engineering and work and everything to engineer and problem solve and figure out the root cause analysis of what our issue is and make a solution.
In my run group, I had a Porsche 918. We were having a good time out there mixing it up. Ended up able to pass him coming off the front stretch.
We have all the team members from TMMI, West Virginia, TMMK here to help support us.
There's lots of groups that have gone into the support of making these teams ready to run.
Toyota is all about the Toyota way. And you know the Toyota way is about continuous improvement and people. Well, we got it both today because we're improving vehicles beyond what you think they can do. And we got people, we have all kinds of fun doing this, and it's really awesome.
The cars that we put together, we've collaborated with, we've built, put our blood, sweat, and tears into to get this all together and have some fun, learn, be better team members together and better engineers. We're also super excited that we were able to collaborate with the TMS group and the Sienna vans that they brought.
Great to get them out and see how the vehicles perform in the real world setting and push the limits and get some feedback of how they can make the cars better.
And it helps develop our engineering skill sets, which ultimately helps us, of course, in our daily jobs.
Road America is one of the faster tracks out here. This is our longest track on this trip. It's about 4 miles with at least 2 areas where we can hit triple digits.
And it's not a very wide track at all. There's not a lot of runoff, so it's a little scary, a little intimidating for the first time coming.
On the cool down lap, I tried to get off the track and my brake pedal went right before, so I knew that we had cooked the brakes a little bit. So that's what we're trying to do now is increase airflow to our brakes before we can get Matt to the autocross course.
The car handled quite well out there. Great amount of skill added, makes us better engineers and trying to troubleshoot issues as we go along through the route.
The car come off the line good, and I think that we had a pretty good run there.
The stripes in the binders, lane 1 gets the win. We have made it, we have completed it. The FRS has been driven to a 2nd place finish in class, which is huge for us in this car.